Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the RC design or the interactive concrete design using by Staad v8i. When you will finish the analysis part or when you will complete the procedure up to analysis, assign the section property, support and load, and after that you will analyze your structure with zero error, then you can start this procedure. Starting with a new project, specify any file name, then click on next. So at first you have to import the structure, or you can create the structure from the wizard. So here is a building frame. First of all, we have to assign the support, then section property, click on define, then click on rectangle, specify the section for YD and ZD, say 0.3 into 0.35, then click on add, assign to view and assign. Here I have assigned only one section property because I have already discussed this part in my previous videos. Then click on load case details, add dead load and live load. Click on dead load, add the self weight, then click on assign to view. After that click on the live load, then add the floor load as per IS 456, which will be minus 2.5 kN per meter square, and specify the Y range as per height of the building, which is 15 meter. So click on add and close. So here I have assigned only the self weight of the building because I have already discussed this part in my previous videos, so follow the videos. After that you have to assign any combined load or factor of safety, which will be 1.5 into dead load and live load. Then click on analysis print, then analyze, run analysis and check the error. So we have completed the first part. Now we can start the design part. Click on the design, then click on the concrete, then select the Indian code IS 456. Then click on select parameter, deselect all the parameter, then select only this parameter, the clear cover, compressive strength, yield strength for main reinforcement and shear reinforcement, maximum size for main and secondary reinforcement, and minimum size for main and secondary reinforcement. So there will be 8 parameters. Click on OK. After that click on define parameter. Here the clear cover for the beam will be 0.025 and the column will be 0.040, which will be 40 mm. Then specify the compressive strength FC 25000 and FY main, FY sec, or yield strength for the secondary reinforcement, which will be 415000. Yield strength for main reinforcement and secondary reinforcement, which will be 415000. Then click on the max main, which will be 20 mm. Then click on add. Max sec will be 12 mm, min main will be 10 mm, and minimum size required for the secondary reinforcement will be 8 mm. Then click on add. So here I have defined all the parameters. Click on command, click on design beam add, design column add, and click on takeoff add. And now we have to assign the parameter one by one. To assign the clear cover for beam, first of all we have to select all the beam from the select window, then beam parallel to X and Z, then assign to selected beam and assign. Similarly, go to select and click on beam parallel to Y, then click on assign to selected beam and assign. For the other parameter except the beam design and column design, we can assign for all. After that, select the parameter, then click on assign to view and assign. To assign this parameter design beam, we can copy all the member from the assign to edit list. Select all the member, then Ctrl C or copy. Then paste to the list. Then click on assign. Similarly, click on design column and click on assign to edit list. Copy all the member from the clear cover for column, then assign to edit list and assign. So all parameter has been assigned. Click on analyze, run analysis, wait for the zero error. After that, go to view output file. To check the bar bending schedule, click on result, then click on concrete design. So here you can see all the reinforcement for this structure, top and bottom reinforcement, including the total reinforcement of the structure. Okay. So this is the second part of the RC design. For the third part, click on concrete design. This window is different from the previous window. The first step is click on envelope, then select all the member, then specify any name for the envelope. Then tick off the show combinations only, select all the load, then click on OK. For the second step, we have to select all the members. Then go to members from above, then click on autofrom member to generate the number for the continuous beam. For third step, click on groups and briefs, then select all the beam with the help of continuous beam cursor. Then click on new brief, specify the beam brief, name, specify the name which will be beam brief, then specify the code which will be IS456, then click on OK. After that, specify the minimum reinforcement spacing. After that, define the parameters like minimum reinforcement spacing, the grade of concrete, then click on main reinforcement, then specify the maximum size which will be 20 mm, and click on the shear reinforcement and check the shear bar type. As per your requirement, you can change all the data from here. Then click on new design group. So it will be beam group. So click on beam group. Then click on OK. For next step, you have to select all the columns. Go to top view, select all the members, then deselect the beams. Then the column will be automatically selected. Because we can deselect all the beam with the help of continuous beam cursor. Click on new brief. Brief name will be column. Design code will be IS456. Find the column design brief. Then we can change all the value from here. Send all the load. Then click on the new design group. The group name will be column group and the brief name will be column. Then click on OK. After that, click on column group, then click on concrete member, then click on design. Again click on design. Then here it shows all the member is OK. To export this report, click on the file, then click on the file, then click on export report. Then you can generate all the report with Microsoft Word, or you can convert all the report with PDF. Click on the shear layout. So here is the shear layout. You can check all the result from here. Here is the output file. If some member failed, then it shows the failed member. To export all the AutoCAD drawing from every column and beam, click on schedule, then click on OK. You can export the AutoCAD file from here. Click on save. So here is the file, DXF file. Double click on the file. To view the file, click on Z, enter, A, enter. Zoom all. So here is the column layout. So here is the section layout of the member. This way you can create the AutoCAD drawing from the Staad Pro. So here is the total procedure for the continuous beam. So this is the steps for the interactive concrete design. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends.